Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to see how we should solve this integral, which is sort of a Laplace transform. Let's read it together. It's a definite integral from 0 to infinity of e to the negative ax times sine bx dx. So I'm going to remind you of the integration by parts here. If I have a function u dv, I can integrate it like uv minus v du. And here, in this situation here, this thing here is u, and this thing here is dv. Now, let me write the things here. U is going to be e to the negative ax, thus du, if I differentiate both sides, it's going to be negative a e to the negative ax. Okay, now my dv is sine bx dx, thus my v is going to be negative cosine bx divided by b, which is my v, and these are all the functions that I need here. Okay, now I'm going to write the integration by parts here. I is going to be negative e to the negative ax cosine bx over b, the integral from 0 to infinity, minus the integral from 0 to infinity of negative a e to the negative ax times negative cosine bx over b dx. And obviously these two negatives are going to cancel out. And if I calculate this limit, it's going to reduce to 1 over b, because e to the negative infinity, the first limit, is obviously 0, and cosine of 0 is 1. Thus, I can write it as 1 over b here. So 1 over b minus the integral from 0 to infinity of minus a times e to the negative ax minus a over b e to the negative ax cosine bx dx. Now I'm going to do the u substitution again here. Sorry, integration by parts. So my u is, this is my u, this is my dv. dv is cosine bx, bx dx, and u is e to the negative ax, thus du is negative a e to the negative ax dx. Now, again, I'm going to write 1 over b minus a divided by b. I'm going to integrate the rest of this thing here. It is going to be a limit e to the negative ax over b sine bx, the integral from 0 to infinity, minus plus the integral from 0 to infinity of a e to the negative ax sine bx divided by b dx, which is going to be 1 over b minus a over b. This limit is going to go down to 0, plus a, the integral from 0 to infinity of e to the negative ax sine bx over b dx. So this thing here, I'm gonna mention it here. This is my integral. This is integral, and it's equal to I. Thus I can write it as I to be equal to 1 over b minus a over b times a times I. Now I is going to be 1 over b minus a squared over b times I. Now, it's going to be I. So let me write it in a single color. So it's going to be I plus a squared over b. Now it is going to be, it's going to a over b. Should have taken a b out, so it's going to be a over b, which is going to be a squared over b squared. I equals to 1 over b. I times 1 plus a squared over b squared equals 1 over b. Should I simplify more? It's going to be b squared plus a squared over b squared equals 1 over b. I then equals to b times b squared over it's going to be 1 over b times b squared over a squared plus b squared, which is going to be b over a squared plus b squared. Thus the integral from 0 to infinity of e to the negative ax sine bx dx is going to be b over a squared plus b squared, which is standard Laplace transform of this function here. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next video.